Hi guys, how can you make this cutout banana text effect in Photoshop? First, you need a white background and a banana PNG image. Then, go to the text tool and type your text. Next, convert the text into a smart object. Press Ctrl+E and select Warp to bend the text around the banana shape. After adjusting it perfectly, go to the text layer, right-click and choose Select Pixels. Turn off the text layer's eye icon, then select the banana layer and create a mask. Now, take the brush tool. Set the size to around 228px and softly brush on the edges to blend the cutout areas. And that's it, your banana cutout text effect is ready.